Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good Instagram page. First, define your niche. Understanding your target audience is crucial for creating content that truly resonates. By focusing on a specific theme, you attract dedicated followers who are genuinely interested in what you share. Researching relevant hashtags and trends will help your content reach the right people, laying a strong foundation for your page's success and growth. Next, focus on creating engaging content. High-quality photos and videos are essential for capturing attention and maintaining a professional appearance. A consistent visual style, including your color palette, helps build strong brand recognition. Don't forget to utilize features like Reels and Stories. They are fantastic tools for boosting engagement and expanding your reach to a wider audience, keeping your content fresh and dynamic. Engaging with your audience is vital for building a thriving community. Make sure to respond to comments and direct messages promptly, fostering genuine connections. Collaborating with other creators can significantly expand your reach, introducing your content to new and diverse audiences. Furthermore, regularly check Instagram's analytics. These insights help you understand audience behavior, allowing you to optimize your posts for maximum impact. Finally, optimize your efforts and stay consistent. Craft compelling captions that include clear calls to action, guiding your audience on what to do next. Posting at optimal times, when your audience is most active, ensures your content gets seen by more people. Aim for a regular posting schedule, perhaps 3 to 5 posts weekly, to keep your audience engaged and your page growing steadily over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.